So hello class, good morning. Myself Vivek Prakash Yadav, and I am again here with my photosynthesis topic of class 11. And in this continuous series of the classes, we are discussing about light harvesting complex. And in today's class, we are going to discuss about photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. The main topic that we are going to cover today is the transfer of electrons. Okay, and we can say that how electrons transport in photosystem. I mean to say, we are not talking about electron transport chain ETS. Yes, we are talking about in case of photosynthesis, the light energy. Okay, which is quantum, which is going to be observed, how they are going to be transferred from one to another level, and how the whole mechanisms takes place. Okay, so in the introduction, in the light reaction, I told you that light reaction or tight reaction, in that we have studied about photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. Actually, the light harvesting complex that we talk, okay, the light harvesting complex is the combination of two set of pigments. Yes, they are the combination of or form of two set of pigment, like chlorophyll A. Okay, chlorophyll A is going to be active main pigment of the photosystem, okay, or reaction center, that is known as antenna. And we discussed already that all other pigments which are there, okay, all other pigments which are there like chlorophyll B, jasmine, carotenoids, they also play role in photosynthesis, okay, but they are considered as accessory pigment. They are considered as accessory pigment, and yes, even we discussed that all these accessory pigments protect chlorophyll 1 from photo-oxidation. Okay, and in light harvesting complex we have discussed about photosystem 1 and photosystem 2, and yes, I told you the number photosystem 1 and 2 which we mentioned is not actually to their role, but actually depending upon their discovery. So photosystem 1 discover first and photosystem 2 discover later. But when we talk about their role, okay, their role, then actually it is photosystem 2 which take part first, and then the electron transfer to the photosystem 2. So in that we are going to discuss that first light received, okay, first light received in photosystem. Well, here I will just draw the flow chart form or the representation of that photosystem 1 and 2. In jet scheme we used to say a non-cyclic form. See what happened. We all know that sun is the ultimate source of light. Okay, sun is the ultimate source of light. So from where quantum, see, quantum means quanta 4. So it's not like we can make multiple rays here. It is very much correct if we use 4 types of radiation. Okay, it is quanta energy. In the form of quanta energy comes from the sun, in the form of packet we can say. Okay, quanta zone, what is used for them? Quanta zone. So the quanta, and when this light energy fall, just a minute, okay, when this light energy fall on photosystem 1, okay, sorry, photosystem 2, that is having 680, sorry, my mistake, and this one is photosystem 1, that is 700 nanometer light. Yes, now what I am saying, when this light radiation from the sun come and fall on the photosystem 2, what happened? Because of the absorption of light energy, okay, because of the absorption of the light energy, the electron which is present in the light harvesting complex of photosystem 2 in the pigment, the electron which are present in the light harvesting complex of the photosystem 2, they absorb of light of wavelength 680 nanometer, okay, of red light. They absorb red light of 680 nanometer. As a result, what happens? The electron get excited, and we all know, and even chemistry, you have in chemistry you have studied how in the orbit electron get excited. In the same way, when light absorbed by this light harvesting complex, what happens? The electron get excited, and from their nuclear orbit, okay, from their nuclear orbit. Suppose this is nucleus and this is the orbit. So when this electron absorb light, they get excited and move farther to the next level, we can say next orbit. Okay. So moving farther from the electron. In the same way what happened here, when the light get absorbed, electron excited and they move farther from the light harvesting complex with the help of electron acceptor. Okay, with the help of electron acceptors, there are cytochromes and such kind of electron acceptors, ubiquitin. Okay, such types of electron acceptors are there that we will discuss later. So electron acceptor is going to accept the electron and carry them to the more higher level. And what happens? The reduction oxidation reaction takes place. Okay, oxidation reduction reaction takes place, or we can say that redox reaction. Okay, redox reaction takes place. That redox reaction cause downhill. Okay, that redox reaction. Okay, reaction cause downhill movement of that electron. Okay, with the help of electron transport system, with the help of electrons and transport system, which is mainly consists of cytochrome, which is mainly consists of proteinaceous molecules, that is known as cytochrome. They are going to accept that downward electron. Okay, downhill electron. Meanwhile, what happened during this process of downward movement? What happened? ATP, with the use of inorganic form, get released ATP, means energy is also getting released during the process. Okay, energy is also getting released during this process. So again what happened, as this electron moving downward to downhill process, the light energy, okay, the light energy which going to be fall on light harvesting complex 1, okay, light harvesting complex of photosystem 1 of 700 nanometer, okay, of 700 nanometer red light. See, photosystem 2 absorb red light of 680 nanometer and photosystem 1 absorb red light of 700 nanometer. Now what will happen? Again this electron, okay, in the light harvesting complex of photosystem 1, what will happen? They will get excited, okay, and they have absorbed the red light of 700 nanometer. So they will be more excited. Again, they are going to be moved farther from the nucleus, okay, from the orbital, means from their orbit, they are going to be moved farther from the nucleus with the help of electron acceptor, okay, with the help of electron acceptor. And again what will happen? Redox reaction takes place, means reduction and oxidation reaction going to be takes place. So again this redox reaction what cause? They will cause downward or downhill movement of that electron, okay, downhill movement of that electron. See here what happened, that downhill movement cause the electron to trap by the electron acceptors, okay, and carry that electron to the light harvesting complex, okay, to the light harvesting complex of photosystem 1, okay. They carry that light harvesting and the light harvesting complex, carrying that downhill electron to the light harvesting complex of photosystem 1. Again what happening? Quantum of light fall on this light harvesting complex, making them excite. This time it will be oxidized more powerfully, okay, means it will the redox reaction takes place, and now the next downhill process that is going to take place result in the release or transfer of that electron to energy rich molecules containing NADPH, okay, energy rich molecules, transfer them to the energy rich molecules, that is NADPH, okay. Now what happened? Due to reduction division, okay, due to reduction and oxidation reactions, this downward movement or downhill movement of the electron and accept of this electron by such a, see, accept of electron by energy molecule which is having NADPH, this electron cause the conversion of this cause the conversion of this NADP plus molecules, okay, NADP energy molecule into NADPH, okay, NADPH, okay, they are going to convert this into NADPH. This NADP energy get converted into NADPH. So this is going to take place during the process of photosystem 2 and 1. So in this you can see that this form, okay, light photosystem 2, their photosystem 1, in between there is sequence of the electron carrier, okay, there is sequence of electron carrier which making a form like this, okay. So this is nothing but you can say Z stream or Z form. This form, when we are going, this sequence are going to be joined together. You can see that the sequence is appear like Z. That is the reason why this scheme is known as Z stream electron transport. Okay, Z stream electron transport. Okay, one again we are going to revise it. What happened? Light. Okay, from the sun in the form of quanta. Okay, in the form of quantum energy they travel, and when those light fall on the light harvesting complex of photosystem 2, okay, which observe light of red light of 680 nanometer. Okay, so red light of 680 nanometer getting absorbed here, which light the electrons of this light cause excitation of the electron of light harvesting complex of photosystem 2. Due to the excitation, what happened? The electron which are there in the proper orbit, they get excited and move farther to the next orbit from the nucleus. Okay, and there are electron acceptors. There are electron acceptors which going to trap the electron, and start carrying that electron. And meanwhile, the redox reaction, that is reduction and oxidation reaction, start taking place. Okay, that reduction and oxidation reaction causing the excited electrons to move downhill. Okay, causing that excited electrons to move downhill. Now, during the downhill, there are again electron acceptors are there. Okay, which form electron transport system. Okay, electron transport system. Those they accept the electron and transport them. Okay, so electron transport system was formed with the association of cytochrome. Okay, remember the name. This is represented as in this form, cytochrome. So these cytochrome molecules going to be trapped, or they act as electron acceptors or carrier. Okay. So what happened? Meanwhile, when the cytochrome associated system transfer that excited electron to the light harvesting complex 1. Okay, light harvesting complex 1 of photosystem. So what happened? Again light energy, okay, in the form of quanta. Okay, again light energy excite this light harvesting complex. Again excite the electron which is received by this light harvesting complex. What will be happen? More strongly this time again it get excited, because photosystem 1 light harvesting complex absorb red light of 700 nanometer. Yes, what is that? Red light of 700 nanometer, and again electron get excited. Yes, they move farther from the nucleus or from their orbit, and electron acceptors are there. They again trap or accept the electron. Okay, they accept the electron. What here we saw that electron is transported through electron acceptor system and travel to the light harvesting complex. But here what happened? This time again your redox reaction takes place. That is reduction oxidation reaction takes place. This time this reaction lead to the downhill movement, but they carry that excited electron where? To the energy rich molecules. Okay, to the energy rich molecule means those electron acceptors are carried to the energy rich molecules, or that is NADP plus. Okay, NADP plus. Due to acceptance, okay, due to acceptance of that excited electrons, this NADP release energy, okay, in the form of NADPH, in the form of NADPH. Okay, going to be in the form of NADPH. plus hydrogen. Okay, this one it is going to be released. So in this way you can say the transport of electron. Plus there is one more thing, that when we are going to talk about chemiosmosis, okay, chemiosmotic hypothesis means continuous supply of electrons, okay, for the formation of ATP, okay, ATP. So photosystem 2 play a very much important role in continuous transfer. Photosystem 2 play a very much important role in continuous transfer of electron. How come? What happened? During the process of photosynthesis, when the light energy is trapped by the photosystem 2 light harvesting complex, here what happened? The water molecules, okay, which are present in the plant, yes, the water molecules which are present in the plant, due to the high intensity of the light energy, they get break down. Water molecules break down into the two electrons, okay, electrons, hydrogen and one free oxygen, that is nascent oxygen. So in this way this process takes place continuously, and light energy continuously break down these water molecules, okay, continuously break down or split up these water molecules. In this way they continuously release electrons, okay, they continuously release electron into the chemiosmotic hypothesis. As a result, that is going to help in the continuous flow of electrons, okay, and also concentration gradient of the electron. So splitting of water molecules provide continuous supply of electrons. So hope you understood the electron transport, okay, cyclic and non-cyclic form or Z scheme of the photosynthesis in the yes. And now the next thing that we need to discuss here is just a minute. Hope you people don't have any doubt, okay, with photosystem 2 and photosystem 1. It is clear here. And what is light reaction, that also takes place. Light reaction and dark reaction we have discussed. Light reaction is presence of light, no problem, okay, but dark reaction is not also because it takes place in absence, because actually it is called so just reverse of light reaction for the convenience of study. In the light reaction sometimes the complete process does not take place in intermediate product form, okay, so that intermediate product gets finally converted into the final product, that is glucose and glucose. So that process may also take place in absence of light. That process may also take place in absence of light. That is the reason why that is known as dark reaction. It is not mandatory that dark condition required, but that can be processed. The intermediate product can be processed further in the absence of light also. That is the reason why that is called dark reaction, okay. So light reaction, dark reaction, photosystem 1, photosystem 2, the Z scheme, how electron transport going to become, how there is continuous supply of electron by the photosystem 2. I told you that in photosystem 2 the light harvesting complex, they split water molecules by absorbing light energy, yes, and that split of water molecules release continuous electron in the electron transport system, okay. So by this we are going to stop today's class, okay, and in the next class again we are going to study properly cyclic and non-cyclic reaction, where the non-cyclic takes place, where is cyclic reaction, what are the different electron acceptors and carriers are there. We are going to discuss that in details, okay. So with that, thank you very much to everyone, okay.